So guys, this is a semi-detached duplex here in Ajah, East of Lagos. This semi-detached duplex is going for 130 million naira. It's one of the cheapest we have in this particular estate here. This is the second most sought after estate in Ajah, East of Lagos. Okay, I want to show you around the house. Then before we go in, as our culture is, so this is the neighborhood. So it's in a great neighborhood, and this is the street. You can see the kind of houses we have in this neighborhood. Okay, one thing you see that the road is paved already. We've paved the road, and the drainage system has been also been constructed. Then we have a little green area. You can see it. Then we are going in right now. So in this particular house, the compound, it can accommodate 2 cars. Okay, you can see one space here. Okay. Then another space here. This one is another space here. So let's go around, then we'll go in and check the house together, guys. So this is the changeover area. That is the where the meter will be. Okay. So this is the boys' quarter, guys. Yes, it's locked. Okay, but when you come for inspection, we'll show you. This is the kitchen exit here as well. Okay. So you can see the tank over there. So it's a semi-detached duplex selling for 130 million, like I said earlier. So right now it's time to go in and check this house together, guys. So guys, this is the entrance. Okay, you can see it has light there. Then look at the door. It's a nice door, but it's not a smart lock. You can see it's a normal door. You can change the smart lock you can change it to smart lock yourself. Okay, so but it's a very solid door. Okay, so we are inside the house right now. Okay, this is the overview, but before I show you the house proper, let's see the visitor's toilet and the visitor's room. So this is the visitor's toilet. Okay, that's the wash hand basin. Then the WC is over there. Okay, so this is the guest room. Okay, the guest room, it has let me see, 1, 2, 3 windows for cross ventilation, so ventilation will not be a problem. Then this is the wardrobe for the room. Okay, so the lights and the POP design. Okay, this is the spot. This place is where the television will be. Okay, then this is the bedroom, the wash hand basin. So you can see the WC over there, the shower. Okay, so and that's the water heater over there. So guys, let's proceed to the main sitting room. Okay, so let me show you the overview of the room. You can see the size of this living room. It's quite spacious. Okay, let me take it from the other angle so that I can see. Okay, so this is lovely, guys. So I just do so I can see the space well. Okay, so check out the inbuilt lights, the POP designs. Okay, it has a speaker here. This is one speaker here. Okay, for sound system. So, and this is the TV console. You can see the TV console already set for you. And we have double window, 1, 2. So this is lovely, guys. So this is the living room. Okay, so you can use any parts and make your dining area depending on how your interior deco will structure the house, but all the same is beautiful. So this is the ladies' pride. This is the ladies' pride, guys. That is the overview of the kitchen. So guys, this is the kitchen island. Okay, you can see the chandelier light. We have double chandelier light, then the inbuilt light and the POP design here. Okay, so check out this cabinet. Okay, then the CCTV camera is over there. Okay, then this is the space for your washing machine. We have the kitchen sink here, the oven, which is the burner, sorry, This is the heat extractor. Okay, so we have a microwave and oven here. You can see that the kitchen is not fully furnished, but it is, because we don't have the fridge and the washing machine, but it is furnished, guys. So now let's proceed upstairs to check the house proper. I mean the first floor, which is the last floor. So you can see it's a sensor staircase. Do not forget that this is Kelechi of Kechmer Properties Limited, a real estate consulting firm that is based here in Lagos, that is making sure that you have real estate investment that are free from every form of government encumbrance and peace of mind. So guys, now we are approaching the family lounge. Okay, so this is the family lounge. This is the family lounge. You can see the inbuilt lights, the POP design, and the speaker. Okay, so, and this is just an opening for I want to see the reflection. Is not a window actually. Okay, it's a design. So this is the TV console for the family lounge. Okay, so this is it. So here now we have 3 rooms. We have one downstairs, so it's a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. So we have seen one downstairs, so 3 is here. The visitors, what is called, the 2 rooms and the master bedroom. So this is the room number 2, but the first one here at the upstairs, you can see the space or the size of this particular room that it can take up to 6 by 6. Yes, so you see the inbuilt light and the POP design. It has a single window. There is it over there. That's the window there. So guys, this is the space for the television here. And that is your wardrobe, which is the closet. You can see the closet is by the side. You can see the closet like a walk-in closet. Okay, then this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom, guys. So that's the overview of the bedroom. So we have the the WC, sorry. This is wash hand basin. This is your water heater. Then the shower is over there, guys. That's the shower. This is lovely, guys. Let's go to the second room upstairs, but the third room on the building. Okay, so this is also another room. You can see the space. So let me give you this space, the view, so you can see this wideness of the room. So this one has double window. You can see, so you can see the space. So it has a double window, like I said. So this is the closet. You can see the closet. So it has this where you can keep your clothes or maybe your shoe. Then it has another closet over there. Okay, so that is one thing about this particular room. So it has this inbuilt light and the design you are seeing right now. So this is the closet now. Like I told you, it has that one I showed you before and this. Okay, so this is nice bedroom. This can be for madam or for the kids. So you can see the wardrobe now. This is the wardrobe, the main closet for this particular room. Okay, so this is lovely, guys. So guys, let's proceed to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom, guys. I'll give you the overviews. Then this is your WC, your wash hand basin, guys. The shower. And the water heater is over there, guys. So we are going now to the last but not the least. That is the master bedroom of this beautiful 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex here in Ajah. So let me give you the overview of this master bedroom. You can see that's the overview, guys. So let me take it from another angle so that you can see the size of the room proper. Even if you're not here, you can relate. That's the beauty of our tour, we try to give you the size, at least position the camera well so that you will see the room, the size, you can relate. Okay, so you can see this is the inbuilt light and the design, the POP designs. Okay, now you can see the window over there. Okay, it's a double window we have here. There's another one by the balcony. So this is the balcony, guys. So and this is the estate. You can see the houses we have is a very beautiful and well constructed estate. At least you rest assured that you have great neighbors. So okay, then this is your closet, guys. You can see the closet. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is the TV console for this room. Okay, this is the TV console. This is lovely. That's one window. The second one, I told you, it has double windows so that ventilation can be crossed. Enter through this side and go away to the other side. Okay, now let's proceed to the bedroom. This is the master bedroom. You can see this is your wash and basin, guys. Comes with this suspended WC. Okay, so this is your shower. This is the bathtub. Just relax there after work. Then this is the water heater over there. You can see it over there. So guys, let me know what your thought is concerning this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex here in Ajah, East of Lagos. And I told you that this house is selling for 130 million naira. So give Kelechi a call on the number that is on your screen so that I can bring you here for site inspection and closing of the day. If you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe, hit the notification button so whenever we make subsequent videos like this, you'll be the first to receive it. And our returning subscribers will say kudos to you. So keep watching and keep sharing till we come your way again. Thank you.